Alright, here is a quick tip. If you don't know, it will come in handy. If you know it, well, good enough. So I thought I should do a short video. People who are not aware of it, they come to know. The topic of this video is to when you click a mail to link on any web page, it should open up your default mail editor. It could be anything. It could be Vim, it could be Emacs, whatever you like, right? So I use Emacs. When I click on a Mailto, it open up a GUI version of Emacs in a browser, so I can reply it back, right? So generally, I use this terminal version of Emacs client, but when I click on a particular link on a website in a mail to link, it opens up a mail Emacs GUI. Okay, so let me give you a demonstration. Let me go to, so here is an arbitrary page where if I decided to send a reply to a particular mail, so there are the option, so I can download it as inbox and run it through against my mail client, which is Mart. It could be anything anyway. So, and then if you come down, you see my cursor is turned into a hand, and here is a link. So you can send it by clicking on it. But if I click on it, pardon, this is eye blinding, just for a moment. Please stand it. Now it loaded the thing. So now if I ignore all those stuff, so this is what the GUI version of Emacs with a mail composing buffer will be present. It is for my setting. Okay, so every time I click on a mail to link on a web page, the Emacs GUI version client pop up and provided me this mail sending stuff in a buffer. I can write my mail and send it from here. Bang, very convenient. You could use other editor too. I use Emacs GUI for this specific purpose. Otherwise I was running all the works in Emacs terminal, but this particular thing, this could be done in the terminal too, but I think this is opening in the same tab with my browser, so it's become very easy. So you see what I did, I just click on this particular mail to. Whenever you get a mail to, not only in a lot of web pages they have a mail to link to contact the designated person or department or something like, so every time you click on it, the default mail editor in the system should pop up. Now how do you set it up? Okay, so if I open a simple let me go here, go to, I'm using Firefox, and if I come here, it's getting exceptionally laggy. I don't know why. So if you come to this box, you see applications on the very general tab, on the very first tab. I'm using Firefox. Okay, other browser could have different setting because I do not use, so I'm showing you the Firefox one. So go here, you can see my cursor is on mail to. It is saying Emacs default one because I've set it. If you highlight it, there is a, I don't know whether you are able to see it, there is a little arrow. If you click on it, there are options. There are options you can choose from. Okay, or you can use your own program by using use others. Okay, so it is very convenient to use your own program from the browser if you are convenient to. Okay, so this is how I set up my mail client when I click onto Mailto link on a web browser via Emacs GUI version like this. Every time I click on the Mailto link, this is the third time I'm showing Mailto link, there is a Emacs GUI pop-up with auto-filled the here there is a lot of, mostly it will direct it to two field because you will be guiding to a particular reply to a particular person or department, something like that. So basic idea to get your convenient mail editor via this option here under the applications section and in Firefox, then you have to choose the Mailto content type and use your stuff, whatever the things you like. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people who are not aware of it. This might be very handy.